Hello, I'm Luke and I'm from our Bideford branch. Today I'm at Shangri-La, which is a 4-bedroom detached house offering split level accommodation located on the outskirts of Bideford. Now, my favourite feature about the property is the open plan living dining area, which has direct access onto the balcony, making fantastic use of the beautiful views over Bideford. Now come take a look inside. As you can see, I'm now in the living area of the property, which is a really good size. We've got a lot of light coming in this room thanks to the aspect from the back and the front. And as you can see directly behind me there, you've got the balcony which faces directly onto the estuary, which can be enjoyed on a nice summer's evening. As you can see, it's an extremely unique home and properties like this don't tend to come to the market too often. So if you're interested in arranging a viewing or would like some further information about the home, please don't hesitate to give Webbers Bideford a call on 01237 472 344. We look forward to meeting you.